Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate it. I'm going to address this whole premise and myth of long, lean muscle. Long, lean muscle. I don't even know what that is. I get a lot of people in the gym that approach me, men and women, and say, I want my muscles to be long and lean. Well, here's the thing. Your muscles are already long and lean. The problem is you can't see the muscle all the time because there's a layer of fat covering the muscle up. So it's hiding the leanness in the muscle. So the simple thing to do to get muscle that's long and lean, because I know a lot of you guys want that, you need to lift weights. You need to get a barbell in your hand, a dumbbell in your hand, and you need to do resistance exercise at least 3 times a week. Simple exercises, squats, lunges, shoulder presses, bench presses. I have some tutorials on the channel. Follow those exercises, do them a few times a week, and that will build strength, which will build your muscle and help you burn fat, and then you'll be able to see your long, lean muscle. So when it comes to this whole premise of, I want my muscle to be long and lean, well, you already have it, but you just can't see it. Prep your meals. Prep your meals. Nutrition is very important with this one as well. You must prepare your food. You can't wait until a half hour before it's time for you to eat your lunch or 15 minutes before it's time for you to eat your dinner. You're probably already hungry at that time. So usually when you're hungry, you're going to sometimes grab whatever's there, the quickest, most convenient thing. So plan your meals ahead of time. It's not that hard to do. Cook a bunch of protein. You got chicken, fish, meat. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you got quinoa, beans, rice to make a complete protein. There's so many options for you, and then a ton of vegetables with whatever you're doing, and a lot of water. So plan this stuff ahead of time. Take a day on the weekend, midweek, and plan out your food. Because if you don't plan what you're eating, you're setting yourself up to fail, and it's a recipe for disaster if you leave it to chance. So plan your meals out. It's not that hard to do. Just take your time, learn to cook a little bit, learn to shop, and plan that food out. This is your body you're talking about. So put that time into your body and your health. Very important. So again, recap, long, lean muscle. You already have long, lean muscle. Build it up and make it stronger, and burn the fat to make it more visible. Hope this has been informative. Have a nice day. Build that long, lean muscle.